Hello and welcome back everyone to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your employee account with Paymanager. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser, and then in the address bar type in paymanager.rajasthan.gov.in and press enter. Make sure you type in the address correctly and you will end up on the official website for Paymanager Rajasthan. Now once you end up in the home page, you will see the login section right on the top. But this is not the appropriate portal for employee. You can simply click on the employee login button underneath the login section. Now once you click on this, you will be allowed to select your employee login. Just click on the employee option and now enter your credentials. Type in your username followed by your password and then enter the captcha code that is displayed in the image. Finally, click on the login button and you will be logged into your employee account with Paymanager. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your employee account with Paymanager. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also, ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.